there is a significant development related to the Radio Club jetty near Gateway of India. Please brief us a little.
I think this is a very landmark judgment that the Honorable High Court has given today. The jetty that was been built by the Maharashtra Maritime Board and the Ports Department of Maharashtra. The whole intention behind building this jetty was very clear, that we wanted to decongest the area there. We wanted to help the local residents there so they can move around more openly there, and also the yachts or the boats that used to be parked around the Gateway of India, which used to only increase the inconvenience to the citizens moving around there. Because of this radio jetty, there was a lot of thought behind the entire process, how we can decongest the entire area, help the local residents. Today, because of the judgment given by the Honorable High Court, who has rejected all the petitions, they have given a certain 3 directions which the Maharashtra Maritime Board and the Post Department has to follow. We will obey all the observations and the directions given by the Honorable High Court, and we will ensure that the jetty is completed in time, and everyone who will travel through the jetty and who lives around there will only understand that this was only for their benefit.
Sir, how is it going to help the connectivity with Mumbai, Navi Mumbai airport?
See, as we have already announced by the by Ports Department, that we want to encourage water transport. So one major project that we have taken in hand is the Mumbai Water Metro. On the lines of the Kochi Water Metro, we have identified 8 destinations within the Mumbai MMR region. So one destination was also with the radio jetty. The another benefit of the radio jetty is the new Navi Mumbai airport that is coming up in Navi Mumbai, which is also an international airport. Anyone travelling from the the Radio Club jetty can travel to the new Navi Mumbai airport in just 40 minutes. So that there's a large amount of benefits where they can cut a lot of travel time through these various jetties and through the water transport that we are proposing. So I am very confident with the kind of ease that the Mumbaikars have got due to the metro network that we have in Mumbai today. The water metro will only help in saving a lot of time for Mumbaikars.
ABP माझा, उघडा डोळे बघा नीट.